morning, boys and girls. My name is Miss Jackie, and today we are going to do an art project. For our art project today, we are going to use feathers. So to begin this project, you will need feathers, of course, a white piece of paper, a pen or pencil to write your name, and your favorite color paint. I also have here a small dish so I can put my paint on. I chose to use the colors purple, blue, and yellow. So to begin, I'd like you to put a little bit of paint on your plate. Now, before we begin painting, we need to take our pen or pencil and holding it the proper way, I need you to write your name at the bottom. This is my name, Jackie. Now, I'd like you to take a feather and put it next to each of your colors. And when you feel your feathers, you can feel how soft they are. Now, I'm going to use one feather at a time and one color at a time to paint. I would like you to dip your feather gently into your paint. I'm starting with the color blue. And I'd like you to make soft strokes across your paper, just like this. I want to make sure that you guys use lots of colors to make a beautiful art project. I'm going to use yellow paint now. As you hold your feathers and you paint, your hands and your muscles are working extra hard to make sure that you are holding your feather and painting properly. As I do these strokes, I'm mixing my colors now. Blue and yellow make the color green. We see the color green. Now I will add some purple. These are some of my favorite colors. You can use any color you'd like. For this activity, you may also use your feather painting skills to write your name, to write numbers, and to practice writing your letters. This project is also fun to see how colors mix and what colors you can create. Now, using feathers and paint, you have created a beautiful art project while relaxing and also building your fine motor skills.